morning, stars. So today I'm doing a Warriors fan art. I have a little bit more stuff about it in the description if you don't know what Warriors is. I've done one of these before and it didn't turn out the best. So now I'm doing another one. Also, I want to give a big thanks to the YouTuber LilyPond for making a tutorial that I followed during this. I tried to add a little bit of my personal touch just so I wasn't copying you. But anyways, hope you enjoy the video, guys. So I actually quite like it. It didn't turn out quite like hers, obviously. Everyone has a different art style, but I actually do really like it. She did draw two other head styles, but I just wanted to do this one because I am now going to go over it with a black pen. Not purple, right? I know, surprising. Well, anyways, let's get into that. So as you can see, it did smear a little bit when I was erasing the extra pencil marks. So yeah, that wasn't my smartest choice. But I am going to make this cat into just a random cat. Doesn't belong anywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my colored pencils and be right back. Peace. Look at this masterpiece of a cup holder. Yeah, I don't worry, I didn't use it, I didn't drink coffee out of it or anything.
Face in your face.
So I decided to add a tail just for a little personal touch, and I think this kind of became Squrrelflight. But yeah, all that's left to do is to sign it. Long name. Anyways, so here it is. Thanks to LilyPond for teaching me how to draw. Woo!